Hello and welcome to week 4. This week, our words are going to center around basic greetings and family words. Basic greetings and family words. Today, we are going to review basic greetings. Tomorrow, we will look at family words. And on Wednesday, we will take a quiz over those things. If you will open up your Word document for today, you will see the basic greetings section. I'm going to review this sheet with you, and you will complete this sheet. Okay? So, let's look at this sheet. Directions. Write the phrase in your language next to the English phrase. Use technology or ask your teacher for help. Practice saying these phrases with your teacher. Listen carefully. So I am going to read these English phrases, and you can say them after me to practice. And then on your Word document, you will type in your language translation for each of these English phrases. So repeat these after me. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you later. See you later. I hope you have a good day. I hope you have a good day. What is your name? What is your name? My name is. My name is. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. In this section, you have 4 greetings, and we have 4 pictures. And you are to match the greeting with the picture. You can either draw a line, or over to the side of the picture, you can type the number. So our first greeting is hi. Hi. Which of these 4 pictures is a picture that shows us people saying hi? Is it this picture, this picture, this picture, or this picture? You are right. It is the second picture of the boy and the girl waving to each other. That would be number 1. So we would put a 1 by this picture. Okay? All right, so that's what you would do on your sheet. The next section asks you to complete the dialogue by putting in names or the correct response. So, we are going to look back. So if you look here, we have a bubble that's been filled in for us with a basic greeting. Hi, how are you? And we are going to fill in the blanks on each of these other comments. Okay? So we have the first speaker saying, hi, how are you? What would your response be? Well, let's look back at our practice. So we had someone say, "Hi, how are you?" Here is the response. "I am fine, thank you." So you would go to this blank and you would type in, "I am fine, thank you," because that would be the correct response. "I am fine, thank you. How are you?" "I'm fine, thank you. What's your name?" What would we answer if someone asked us this question? What's your name? Let's look back. Here we go. Here's the question. What is your name? And here is the response. My name is, and you would put your name there. So, in this blank, we've got to answer this question. What is your name? In this blank, we would put, my name is, whatever your name is. What is yours? Okay, so here we go. We've got someone who says, "I hope you have a good day." Okay, and here's someone who says, "You too." And what else could we say? What else could we say to this person who says, "I hope you have a good day"? Exactly. Nice to meet you. We could say, "Nice to meet you." So in this blank, we would put, "Nice to meet you." That is where you would stop for today on the Word document for today's assignment. If you have any questions, send me an email. Otherwise, finish this and study it, because you will have a quiz over basic greetings and tomorrow's lesson, family, on Wednesday.